Well, hello, my friends. Today I want to talk to you about Numbers. That is the book of Numbers. You see, the book of Numbers covers a period of the wanderings of the children of Israel as they were wandering in the wilderness. Actually, the name Numbers in the Hebrew, it means in the desert. So it describes really of what took place in the desert as they were traveling from Egypt to the land of Canaan. But it also actually has the numbering of the children of Israel when they started and the numbering of the children of Israel when they ended up 40 years later. Interestingly, the up to chapter number 13 really covers about 2 years. And then after chapter 13 and 14 is when the people rebelled and they refused to go into the land. Then from 14 to the end of the chapter covers the last 38 years of the wanderings. But a couple of things I just want to bring out. First of all, God is particular when it comes to numbers. You know, if you read it, and some of you perhaps have had your favorite places to read in the Bible. I mean, I've got my favorites. Of course, the New Testament has got a lot of stories of Jesus, especially in the Gospels, and then of course Paul's writings and some of the other apostles' writings and so on. And I really love that. But in the Old Testament, I like a lot of the history. But there's some very difficult readings in the Old Testament. Some of you probably would say your least favorite reading would be the Chronicles, and I'm not. It's not my favorite either because it's just hard to read. But again, it goes back that God is particular. He's particular with names, keeping records with His people, and I think that would apply to us too as His children. But He's particular with numbers, and so we see this in the book of Numbers. Sometimes it's very difficult to read, especially in the beginning and the end, and when it's going through names and the numbers of each of the tribes and so on and so forth. But being God is particular. He is particular about everything that we go through with. He's particular about your life. He's concerned about your finances. He's concerned about your family. He's concerned about your history. He's concerned about everything that has to do with His children. And just as you are concerned about your children, God is concerned about His children. And I think the fact that the book of Numbers and also the chronology, the book of Chronicles and the chronology of family history just shows how concerned God is for His people. So when you're reading the book of Numbers and the traveling and the desert wanderings of His people, and you're also reading the book of Chronicles, just be reminded that God's concerned about you. He's concerned about your future. Anyway, God bless you. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll look forward to seeing you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.